This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. West Broward's Hidden Gem. This 1,500 plus square feet, 2 halves west/laundry room, open patio and fenced yard, has the feel of a single family home. Only 56 villas in desirable Plum Harbor. Kitchen offers large pantry, white shaker cabinets, brand new stove, granite counters and breakfast area. Huge living/dining area west/vaulted ceilings and custom wainescot. Split floor plan west/marble tile in guest suite and wood floor in primary suite. No carpet. Massive walk-in closet in primary suite along west/DBL. Sinks. Pull down stairs to huge attic for optimal storage. Relax and enjoy on your private patio and fully fenced yard. Air conditioner 2019, water heater 2018. Fantastic schools within walking distance. Low HOA includes lawn care, roof, insurance and painting of exterior. Community offers tot lot, 2 pools and tennis courts. For more information, review the details below.